Do you know that if you decide to wait to get bulk money before you buy certain things you need, then you probably will not be able to, because sometimes by the time your money is ready, it's either that particular item is not available or the price has increased. And sometimes too, or most of the times, you get emergency and you have to use that money to sort the emergency out. From let's unbox these cookwares while I introduce you to someone who will help you get whatever you need for your home, either on a ready cash or on installment basis. So the first item we are unboxing is Jordan cookware. Jordan is one of my favorite cookware. My first Jordan was around, that was 7 years ago, and I'm still using it, and I got it from this same person, Getty. Please bear in mind, this is not a paid advert, not at all. It's just that I enjoy her services and I said let me share with my followers. Yes, so Getty is one person that whatever you need, if you send her a screenshot, she will get it for you. If you have money to pay at a go, like ready cash, fine. If for whatever reason you want to pay on installment basis, she will do that for you. And when the item is ready, your money is ready, she'll get the item and then send it to you. Most of you have a lot of screenshots on your phones waiting to get money to buy it, and still it's been a year, 2 or more. You have still not been able to purchase that item because whenever you get the money, you have to use it for something else. So the next cookware is this granite cookware that I also saw. I wanted a black color, but I didn't get. I got this emerald green and gold, and it's also beautiful. Yes, so for me, like someone like me who doesn't like moving from one shop to the other, going to market, Getty is the perfect person for me, because I just have to send her a screenshot of what I like and she'll get it for me. Okay, so what are you waiting for? One beautiful thing or one good thing about her is also that her prices are moderate. Yes, me, I do a lot of comparison when it comes to prices. I will check from maybe 5 or more vendors before I will settle on one. So if I tell you a prices are cool, trust me, okay, you will not regret buying from her. Whatever you need, be it fabric, be it cookwares, be it ovens, be it whatever, Getty will help you get it. Whatever you need for your kitchen, your hall, your bedrooms, she will help you get it. Okay, so I bought these granite cookwares also from her. And so if you decide to do the installment payment, by the time you realize you have bought about 3, 4, 5 boxes of cookwares and you are not even aware, like you'll be surprised. So the next cookware is this cast iron. Hey, this cast iron, I watch a lot of reviews. They said it's heavy, and I thought, oh, even if it's heavy, I hear, not knowing it's heavy. I mean, when we say it's heavy, if there is any other word greater than heavy, I will use it for this thing. Very heavy. And I'm still wondering why they will make a cookware, something we are going to use to cook, to be this heavy. And now I understand why people complain that it burns their food whenever they cook with it. That's because it's too heavy and it will take time for it to heat, as well as take time for it to cool down. Meaning it takes, you need technicality, some skills when you are using this cookware. Yes, it's beautiful, but Charlie, it's too heavy. And so this cookware too, I got it from her, and I tell you, this cookware, some of the places, the prices they mention here is almost twice of the price of what Getty gave me. So if I tell you prices are cool, trust me. So just contact her, okay? Send her pictures of what you want and start making payments little by little. By the time you realize you have all that you need in your home, abi you bob. And so this cast iron, well, this is my favorite part of this cast iron, because I'm a baker, Charlie. This is what motivated me to buy this set. I just love it. And also comes with this how do you call it, this pan for grill pan. Yes, and so these are 7 sets. Yes, 7 sets. And at the end of the day, we'll say they are what, 13 pieces or 14 pieces. So the next thing I got was this kitchen set that is knife. This one is chopping board, different types of knives, and also different types of ladles. Yes, so this is it. So this one too, they have different colors. You can go for any color that you want. I decided to go for this off-white color. Yes, also from Getty. Yeah, so I'm introducing Getty to you. You will not regret going to her to do business with her. Just be sincere, because I know for her she's sincere. She is a sincere person. The next thing I got from her were these fabrics. Yes, so she sells fabrics to you. See, very beautiful for your palazzos and here and there, your African wears. So visit her page, Getty, on TikTok here. I'll leave a number there and go through the things you want. Send her a message. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.